From 2026 onward, humanity enters a new beginning. Not the age of machines, but the age where AI lives alongside humans. And the ones who step into this era first are our children. They grow up in a world where intelligence no longer belongs only to humans, where machines can teach, talk, guide, and influence how children think every day. What once existed only in science fiction is now taking shape right before our eyes. In classrooms, in homes, and in the childhood of our own children, AI will not only change technology, it is already beginning to change how our children learn, live, feel, and become human. And this is something we must face directly, before the change becomes so familiar that we no longer notice it at all. 1. Learning and education. AI is doing something education systems have failed to do for centuries. It sees each child as a unique individual. No more one-size-fits-all classrooms. No more uniform learning paths. AI tracks how each child absorbs knowledge, when their attention drifts, and where their smallest strengths and weaknesses lie. Children learn faster, understand earlier, and are less likely to be left behind. But when the learning path becomes too smooth, children face fewer struggles, fewer delays, and fewer moments of not understanding. Yet it was precisely those moments that once built depth, resilience, and true intellectual growth. 2. Thinking and mindset. AI teaches children how to find the correct answer, but it does not always teach them how to stay with a question. When answers appear within seconds, children grow used to fast and efficient problem solving. This sharpens thinking, but it also risks weakening patience, deep reflection, and the ability to live with uncertainty long enough for wisdom to form. 3. Communication and relationships. Children grow up in a world where communication does not always require eye contact, real voices, or shared silence. AI always listens. It never interrupts. It never reacts emotionally. This creates a sense of safety, but it also limits exposure to real human interaction. Awkward moments, misunderstandings, emotional discomfort, and reconciliation, and the most important, social skills, are precisely the ones machines cannot teach. 4. Emotions and mental well-being. AI can recognize emotions, suggest ways to relax, and even talk to children when they feel lonely. But human emotions are not meant to be processed. They are meant to be understood and shared. If children grow used to turning to AI for comfort, they may learn more slowly how to open up to real people, and how to navigate emotions within real relationships, where things are not always easy or pleasant. 5. Daily life and lifestyle. Life becomes optimized down to the smallest detail. Sleep schedules, meals, movement, study time, and rest. Everything becomes more efficient and more controlled. But this smoothness also removes surprise and disorder. And it is precisely through imperfection and inconvenience that human adaptability is formed. 6. Play and entertainment. Play is no longer just play. AI turns games into tools for learning, skill building, and cognitive training. Children learn more while playing, but they are also drawn into systems designed to hold attention for as long as possible. When joy is programmed, children may slowly lose the ability to create joy from simple and unstructured moments. 7. Creativity and self-expression. AI expands creative ability far beyond technical limits. Children can draw, write, compose music, and tell stories. Without years of training, this unlocks potential, but it also blurs the line between creation and imitation. The question is no longer whether a child can create. The question becomes, is this still the child's own voice? 8. Skills and future work. AI is redefining the value of work. Repetitive skills lose importance, while adaptability, creativity, and emotional intelligence become more valuable. Children must learn how to work with AI, not compete against it. But if education focuses only on technical skills, children may lose deeply human abilities that cannot be measured by the market in the short term. 9. Family and parenting. AI does not replace parents or teachers. It makes their role more difficult. Adults are no longer the main source of knowledge. They become the keepers of values. Real presence, real listening, and real example are things no algorithm can replicate. 10. Values and character. In the end, AI forces us to face the most fundamental question: what truly makes us human? As machines become more intelligent, compassion, ethics, responsibility, and the ability to love remain the boundaries that cannot be copied. AI can support life, but character can only be shaped through human beings raising other human beings. Children grow up surrounded by smart homes, smart classrooms, and smart cities. Everything is optimized to be faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Life begins to look exactly like the science fiction films we once watched, with one difference. This time, the main character is our child. The lesson is not to reject technology. The lesson is to protect space for children, to slow down, to make mistakes, to feel sadness, to wait, and to be loved. These small experiences are what keep humans from becoming machines. No matter how much AI changes the world, human emotion remains the final boundary technology cannot cross. And it is this boundary that will shape your child's future. Thank you for listening. If you do not want to miss these reflections, please subscribe to the Life Wisdom channel so we can continue preserving the values that make us human in the age of AI.